channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing like a day in my life, get my life together video. So basically, ignore if my voice sounds weird, I just woke up. It's my first day of proper like half term, so it's like my first day of like, I get this whole week off basically. We're at home today, so I wanted to do like just an organising day. I've got to organise my wardrobe because it's so messy. I've got to sort out my vanity, it's like extra messy as well. And then I've got to do like cleaning, I want to do my nails, I want to edit some YouTube video. That's basically what I'm going to do, but I'm going to go get my breakfast now. So yeah, also I got a new light, so my room should be way brighter. It's like a white light. So yeah, and if my voice sounds weird right now, it's because I've just woke up and I haven't really spoken much. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'm going to show you guys the final fit check. I've still got my hair clip things in. I'm about to show you guys real quick. So the little top is from Urban Outfitters. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's that brand. And then you can't even see, the jewellery things are, I think, H&M. My jewellery is Boho Moon, Every Jewels, Boho Moon, Every Jewels, and then I've just got my makeup, which I just showed you guys. And yeah, that's the fit check. Okay, so I actually ended up uploading my clips for a new video to my camera, so I couldn't film anything for like an hour. But now I'm gonna make lunch instead, and then I'm gonna do everything productive in the afternoon. But yeah, I'm gonna make chicken and mushroom soup for lunch. No, chicken and sweet corn soup for lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna make that now, eat that. I think it's 1-ish, which is good. So yeah. Just done my to-do list. I've written out everything I need to do on here. So it says paint nails, organize wardrobe, clean, vacuum and edit. So now I'm going to do my nails. I have these like stick-on ones which I can paint over, but I want to see if we have like a bright pink nail polish because I feel like I really want some like I'm going to look for some bright, why does my voice sound like this? Yeah, so I'm going to try and look for some pink nail polish, and then I'm going to stick on these nails and paint my nails pink on top. So let's let's have a look. Okay, so we're sat at my desk now. I've got this little bag which has all nail stuff in. So I'm gonna see if we have any pink nail polish. This is like this red. No, way too red. This pink, but that's like really dark pink. There's blues and stuff. But I found the nails, which is good. So they're just these clear ones. I've showed them before in a video. I did like a reset routine a few months ago. I'll link it here. And if you want to go watch it. And I like put on these nails, so they're just clear, and then you paint over the, and you stick them on your fingers with adhesive. I have this adhesive glue that's better than the others. You can paint over the top, so it's like acrylics, but like you can do them yourself. Okay, so I just went and looked for a nail polish, and I found two pinks. Oh god. I found this, which is quite a dark pink. It looks redder on camera. And then I found like this beigeier pink, well, like corally pink. I don't know, I'm gonna stick the nails on first, and then I'll paint over the top and figure out the colour. I've done my, just put on like the main nail part, and I've got to paint over the top. So they're literally just clear nails, and now I've got to paint a colour. So now I need to decide on a colour. So I can paint them like a corally colour, like a bright pink. I have a green, but I don't know if green nails. I could do it just like a beige for like autumny. Maybe that would be quite nice, but I want to do like a colourful nail. Just looking through everything, and I found this pink Rimmel nail polish with a top protector, like literally not opened. I'm going to use these two colours to paint my nails, and I'll be back with the transition. 3, 2, 1. There. Okay, these are the nails. You can't really see them because of the lighting, but they are the cutest. They look like I've had them done at a nail salon. So they're just pink. I found the nicest pink colour. This is from Rimmel, and it's a 60 seconds super shine. So I highly recommend this nail polish. And I've done all of them, and then I just added the 60 seconds super shine clear like gloss on top to make it like glossy. I'll do like a close-up now. Okay, these are what they look like. They're just really pink. Okay, so now I've done my nails and everything. I'm now going to tidy up my desk because it's got all my nail stuff on. And then I'm going to actually get to tidying and cleaning. Now that I've got nails on, I'm not going to be able to stop doing this. But yeah, I'm going to clean my desk now, tear away all my nail polishes, and then organise my vanity and my wardrobe.
Topping that work like a Roddy, serving a new Maserati, in a brand new Maserati. That's a whole lot of new money. Session and hiding from 12, moving the squares and them bills, serving the Royals to Yale, beating that China like Kuta Kinte, whipping it, fishing for a cake, drinking no syrup, I'm rolling them hair, make myself a boss in the floor. Either way you put it, nigga, I'm good. Triple salute, nigga, straight out there. Baking soda, water splash on scale. My right and my pot and my left, leaning all the way over to the side. I whip me a full way to a 9. The dirty, the money is homicide. In my recipe, can you tell them? Young nigga move that dough. Young nigga move that dough, baby, move that dough, baby, move that dough. Young nigga move that dough. Young nigga move that dough. Young nigga move that dough, baby, move that dough, baby, move that dough. Young nigga move that dough. Young nigga move that dough. Young nigga move that dough, baby, move that dough, baby, move that dough.
Okay, so I've got these anti-bac wipes, and I'm going to wipe down all my surfaces, so like my sink, my toilet, my shelves, and my handles. I do this like once every week on like a Sunday, but it's a Monday today, so I'm doing it all today. And then I'm gonna I was gonna dust, but nothing seems really dusty, so I might just give my room a quick vacuum so it's like all nice and clean in a bit.
Young enough to still sell dope, but old enough that I knows better. When they saying it's 42 for that white powder, I knows better. Get it, nigga, I knows better. Put a smile on the devil's face. Who don't wanna sell dope forever and plus they roll into the
my charger stuck in the vacuum, so it's all peeled, all coming off here. So I'm gonna have to spend £20 on a new charger.
Years old, I'm whipping in kids and Pablo, but she waiting for me goes. My dinner plate and silverware. All you niggas my e-hoes. Eat like a free throw. Right house had the peephole. Made it through to the other side. Now nothing big as my ego. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope.
Okay, so I've literally fully cleaned my room now, like everything's spick and span, so tidy. I've wiped down the sides, vacuumed, organised, cleaned. The only thing I haven't done is dusted, but I don't think I need to do that. I'm going to charge my camera now, and because it's like really low on battery, and then once it's like charged a bit, I'll film something else. I'm probably going to do some planning and do some editing, but I just broke my charger, so now I can't edit because I don't want my laptop to run out of charge because I need to use it for things. Okay, so I've just started working on tidying my wardrobe and putting all my summer stuff away. I found this really cute top as well, so I'll just change into that. So I'm tidying out all my summer clothes. I think it's gonna go in that box, and this is everything I've got so far. As you can see, it's all like colourful things and like little summery dresses and stuff that obviously I'm not going to wear in the winter, so I'm putting everything away, and then I'll be able to have a better idea of what I need to order for like wintry clothes and stuff. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of just me like getting my life together, sorting everything out, doing a bit of self-care and stuff. And yeah, I feel like my content's getting a bit repetitive, so if it is, leave some video ideas in the comments for me to do that you think that you guys enjoy watching. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Keeping this off like a meat. Go on my link, coke in the sink. Chopping that work like a Roddy. Serving a new Maserati. In a brand new Maserati.